The Comet was the very symbol of British engineering.
Such a beautiful aircraft, it just sliced through the air.
Then, in 1954, 2 comets exploded in the air, killing 58 people. We find out why.
The investigation wasn't as pioneering as the comet itself.
Great British Air Disaster, Sunday at 8 on 4.
In the bath store sale, your dream bathroom is in reach. But time's running out. The bath store sale ends Sunday.
With LoveFilm Instant, the family can watch unlimited movies and TV series instantly on loads of devices for less than £5 a month.
You're joking.
Try it now.
There is a diet where the food I love is still on the menu, and it really works. Choose from over 80 chef-prepared meals, all calorie-controlled and nutritious. Breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. There's no meetings and no weigh-ins, just great-tasting food. Over 75,000 people like me have already discovered Diet Chef. You'll love the results. Visit dietchef.co.uk and start losing weight today.
Bring your home and garden together with Express bifolding doors. Express design, manufacture and fit bespoke doors within a matter of weeks. Choose from a stunning range of styles, finishes and over 200 colours. To transform your home in time for spring, simply visit your nearest showroom. Click expressbifoldingdoors.co.uk or call us today on 0800 121 4809 for a free quote. Express Bifolding Doors. Enjoy the bright life.
I can see things others can't. I've got the whole world at my fingertips. I can see amazing things from anywhere. And I can even stop a speeding car with just one finger.
Individually great, together unbeatable. Get Sky TV, Sky Plus, Sky Go and Sky Broadband. All together for £21.50 a month. The awesome foursome. Sky. Believe in better.
Because Benenden Health is a mutual with a 900,000 strong membership, because we use our discretion to help protect you and your family's health and well-being, because we do everything we can to give you quick access to diagnosis and treatments, because you could enjoy peace of mind for only £1.80 per person per week for when things don't quite go to plan. Because we were voted the most trusted healthcare provider, visit benenden.co.uk or call 0800 414 8000. Because life is precious.
This is our Graze box. A great way to snack. It's fresh, tasty and packed with nature's goodness. You can choose from over 100 nutritious nibbles. We'd love you to try one for free. Simply go to graze.com and enter the code YUM5 and we'll deliver your free Graze box to you at work or at home. Go to graze.com now and enter the code YUM5 to enjoy nature delivered.
A dedicated businessman, family man, and my father.
Come away with me. The situation would be manslaughter.
I'm not gonna lie for you.
The guy did it.
What am I supposed to do?
The Oak Furnitureland winter sale is now on. Solid real wood furniture delivered free. Call in or click at oakfurnitureland.co.uk.
Oh, thanks again, Dawn. You're a real pal. And all because I had that little prang in the car. Hate to be a burden, I really do.
Oh, I'm sorry about the smell. Oh, Fifi. Oh.
So, a free guaranteed hire car, you say, Churchill?
Oh, yes.
So you wouldn't be a burden on your friends if your car was off the road?
That's right.
Dare drop?
No, thanks.
For a free guaranteed hire car, chat to Churchill. After their success at the 2012 Paralympic Games, the Superhumans are facing a new challenge.
We do struggle on a day-to-day basis and we need help with that.
Adair Depetan investigates the benefit reforms which could affect them and millions of others living with a disability in the UK. Dispatches, Britain on Benefits, Monday at 8 on 4.
Look, lunch is over, so this is over.
Whoa, is this a breakup? Is this a breakup?
What did we talk about?
No emotional attachments. It was only lunch. I just thought we would stay together for...
Don't make this any harder.
Well, I'm not leaving.
Break up with lingering food.
That went well.
Help keep teeth clean and healthy. Eat, drink, chew. Extra.
You could call it sizzling golden pools of warm satisfaction. Or dollops, dibs and dabs of creamy smooth, dairy delightfulness. You could call it many things, but you can simply call it... Flora Buttery. The taste you love with 70% less saturated fat than butter. Go ahead, cheat on butter, you naughty thing.
Harbor in the storm, whisper word and story. I'm steering you hard. Will you do stop? So I watch over you.
You shall have a fishy on a little dishy. You shall have a fishy. The boat comes in. Dance to your daddy, sing to your mommy. Dance to your daddy, to your mommy, sing. Who shall have a fishy on a little dishy when the boat comes in?
Gourmet fish, made easy. New Gastro from Young's.
Oh, thanks again, Dawn. You're a real pal. And all because I had that little prang in the car. Hate to be a burden, I really do.
Oh, I'm sorry about the smell. Oh, Fifi.
So, a free guaranteed hire car, you say, Churchill?
Oh, yes.
So you wouldn't be a burden on your friends if your car was off the road?
That's right.
Dare drop?
No, thanks.
For a free guaranteed hire car, chat to Churchill.
Your financial history could impact your financial future, which means past decisions might affect your current credit rating. With Experian Credit Expert, you can see your Experian credit report and score online, and our team could help you manage, protect, and improve it. We've already helped over 5 million people. Get your Experian credit report and score with our free 30-day trial. Experian Credit Expert, a brighter financial future is in your hands.
I am the fire that leaves you homeless. The food shopping you cannot do. I'm the reason you need a wheelchair. The boiled sweet stuck in your child's throat. I am a crisis. And I don't care who you are.
This Mother's Day, get the perfect card and gift from Moonpig for the world's best nurse, chef, banker, chauffeur, babysitter, friend. Get a free card of selected flowers and gifts from Moonpig when you say thanks to the world's best mum.
Spain or Turkey. Whatever your budget, you can compare thousands of family holidays at travelsupermarket.com.
Right from day one, I always said I would go back and finish the job I was doing. It's getting back to life. These stories have to be heard. I just hope I've done it justice.
The Walking Wounded. Return to the front line. Thursday at 10 on 4.